Okay, let's dive into Sky. It's a new way to think about your savings in crypto.
So let me ask you, does your savings account feel kind of, broken?
With traditional savings, you get almost no growth. And with crypto, it can feel pretty wild.
But what if there was another option? That's the idea behind Sky.
Think of it like a huge upgrade from MakerDAO, one of crypto's most trusted platforms. At its heart is something called USDS. It's a stablecoin, which is basically a digital dollar.
That means one USDS is designed to always be worth $1. Nice and simple.
And that stability is a huge deal. You don't have to sweat those crazy price swings.
Now here's the really cool part. USDS doesn't just sit there. It actually earns for you.
It's kind of like having a tiny robot financial advisor whose only job is to grow your money.
This system works around the clock, automatically finding safe ways to earn for you.
You get all this through an app called Sky.money, and it's non-custodial.
Now, non-custodial is super important. It just means you and only you control your funds.
Getting started is really that simple. Get USDS, deposit, and you start earning.
Okay, I get it. It's crypto, right? So how do you know if it's actually safe?
Well, Sky is built on the foundation of MakerDAO, a trusted project for about a decade.
And hey, if you want to get even more involved, there's a way to do that too.
That's where the Sky token comes in. It's what gives you a voice in the ecosystem.
Holding Sky lets you vote on the platform's future and even earn rewards for participating.
All right, so let's quickly recap. What are the big takeaways here?
Sky is designed to make crypto savings simple, safe, and it keeps you in control.
It really makes you wonder, right? Could this be what the future of personal finance looks like?
Yeah, the algorithm's locked and loaded, feeling opulent. Every single trade I make is going professional. Let the numbers do the talking, watch the money multiply. Stacking up the wins until they're reaching for the sky.